introduce you to a wonderful woman who is on the board of directors for the Humane Society of the United States. She's been a guiding force for a lot of what we've done with Prop 2, and she was actually the inspiration behind our $1 million fundraiser at John's house, and that is the Sharon Patrick.
Board of directors do. But in this case, I think, first of all, we really want to recognize as a board the change in the world order. And we think while it took place in the other room, for which we're thrilled, we also would like to say that we think it's taking place in this room. And we want to thank each and every one of you for being part of that. And as we look at what that takes to do it, the one thing that the board wanted to do, when Wayne sort of suggested we might want to do something like a ballot initiative in California, I think nobody quite understood what that meant. And it meant that everybody had to step up to the max. And I think the first thing we have to do is congratulate all of us, because together we raised $10 million on behalf of animals. Because, first of all, it takes resources to get the resources we need for our objectives. And the other thing we need when we think about taking on initiatives that make history like this is that we have to have a great team. And so it's our chance here to really recognize this team that's spoken. But I think for us it's important to really recognize them officially. And I have my list here because I don't want to forget the leadership. We have heard from Jennifer, whom you know, who was the campaign manager. Jennifer really relied on two people that for many, many years have lived a life for chickens, let's just say. Paul Shapiro. Josh Volk. And we also have, as sort of a major, and you've heard from him too, but we should recognize him, Mike McCarrion. Behind the scenes here, I mean, all of the polling and what went on with Lake Robinson and really trying to gauge what was going on with the electorate and how to position the ads, et cetera, was extremely important, and Mike really came through. However, it turned out, rather than $3 million, which is what the board thought it was going to cost to do Prop 2, suddenly it was 6, and then it was 8, and now it's 10. Now, how do you raise money like that? Well, you turn to Beverly. And you turn to Marcia Slackman, and you turn to Robin Muller. And then you turn to John Winfield. So back to Jill and to the board. And at the end of the day, who got us into all of this but our main man, Wayne Caselli. So Wayne, could you come up here with your computer? Many people in New York know what goes on in this hotel. We know what goes on here in Century City. You give Academy Award. You give the Oscar. You give the Oscar to the leading actor, the person who inspired it all. And this year, Wayne, we're awarding it to you. Wayne is going to tell you, doesn't happen without a team, but the team has been introduced, and now it's